how to remove a window crank. On vehicles that have manual crank-style windows, it may be necessary to remove the window crank to remove the door panel or to service components inside the door. What you will need is a window crank removal tool that looks like this. They can be purchased at pretty much any auto parts store or tool retailer. And what you'll do is you need to tuck the tool in behind the crank, and what you're trying to do is pop out the clip that holds the crank in place. And if you kind of wiggle it around, you'll hear it, and eventually it'll come out like that. And at that point, the window mechanism can be removed. You want to make sure that you keep the backer washer and trim piece in the same orientation that they were originally. This is the clip that gets removed during the removal process. To reinstall, what you want to do is put your backer washer back in place, and there's going to be 2 grooves on the window handle, and the clip simply snaps into those grooves